Hi guys, всем привет! Welcome to my channel AllasYummyFood. I'm Alla, the host of the show. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect, delicious roast chicken in your pressure cooker. I'm going to be using Ninja, but you can use any other pressure cooker that you have. And on top of that, we're going to be making homemade gravy from the sauce and the juices that the chicken will produce. So technically you're getting 2-in-1 videos today, and you're gonna love me because this recipe is bomb. And guys, of course, to get access to all my recipes, you can become a member today and join our amazing cooking and baking platform. I'll leave all the links down below how you can become a member, and I hope you join us soon. Now let's get cooking. Over here I've got all my ingredients for the roast chicken in pressure cooker. We're gonna need garlic, thyme, lemon, orange, and other ingredients that will be listed in the recipe. So first, to get the most amount of juice, we're gonna squeeze and roll our orange just around the counters. And then you want to just take your knife, cut it in half, and we're gonna juice our oranges together with our lemons. We're gonna do the same thing with our lemons. Just kind of roll it around and then get as much juice as possible from it. Basically, we're squeezing and softening the skin, which gives us a lot more juice. Using just a simple juicer like this. You can obviously use your professional juicer if you have one, but just kind of squeeze all the lemons and oranges. Now we're going to add that into a bowl. We're going to make our sauce for the chicken. Then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Try using the best organic honey if you can. Mix it all through. Make sure it's all mixed. Then I'm going to add pink Himalayan salt, 1 large tablespoon, a bit of peppercorns, and some water. We're going to mix everything together. This is such an amazing dressing. Later, I'm going to squeeze my garlic. I'm going to break it into little pieces just like so. You can also use a garlic mincer if you wanted to. I just find just doing this with the back of your knife and your palm is enough. And this is going to give us a lot of flavor. So I'm going to add all the garlic and thyme inside my sauce. You can sort of soak that through and leave it to infuse. And ideally you want to leave this for 30 minutes to infuse if you have time. If you don't have time, don't worry about it. You can use it straight away. So now our sauce is done. It looks absolutely amazing. Smells so good. I'm using this organic free-range chicken. So just take it out of the mold. I do recommend clipping and taking off the strings because we do want the chicken to be nice and empty. Place a little bit of your sauce at the bottom with your thyme and garlic. Okay, and then you're going to use a steaming basket where you've placed your chicken and tuck it all in. Make sure it's nice and even, and then just pour your sauce all over the chicken. Now most of it will go down, some of it will stay on top. That's absolutely fine. We're gonna use the pressure cooker. I will explain in the recipe how long for and what you need to do. But we're gonna steam it first, then we're gonna roast it. But pretty much everything is gonna be done in about 30 minutes or so. Once the chicken has steamed, you will see it looks just like this. I'm gonna show you. It smells so good in the house. So just shake it, drain it off any excess juice. And then you want to sift through all that liquid that the chicken cooked in. What I usually do, I chop off the chicken legs. They will be so soft, they will be like falling apart, just so we can push the chicken into the basket a bit more. Just kind of go around. Then I'm going to add a bit more olive oil on top of the chicken, and I'm going to brush it all over. I'm also going to add a bit of salt and pepper on top, and we're going to air fry the chicken until it's nice and crispy. In the meantime, we're going to drain our liquid from all the bits, and I'm going to show you how to make a super quick gravy. We don't want to waste anything. So you want to add flour and butter into your pan, and then just cook this on medium heat until butter and flour cooks together. This can take a couple of minutes. Just keep cooking until everything is melted, and then you want to add your leftover sauce a little bit at a time, mixing it through and just kind of keep going until you run out of your sauce. If you feel like the mixture is still a little bit too thick, feel free to add a little bit of water to dilute it. You can control how thick or thin you want your gravy to be. If you want your gravy to be on the thicker side, then don't add any more water. If you like it like this in the video, a bit more liquid, then add a little bit more water. You then want to place your gravy into a pot. Your chicken is nice and ready. What I usually do, I take it out and place it on a serving plate with a bit of greens and spinach to make it like a showpiece. Then just serve the chicken, and it goes really, really well with that beautiful homemade gravy with lemon, orange, garlic, thyme flavor. Absolutely amazing, really delicious, quick 30-minute dinner. I really hope you try this and enjoy it.